Advance and retard auto unit. Now, how this works, we have bob weights, we have the springs. Now at the moment this is in a retarded position. When the engine revs increase, the bob weights fly out, and when the RPM of the engine comes back, the weights come back in. It's only centrifugal force. It pushes the weights out and the springs pull them back. So when that's in a closed position, that would be at 0 degrees. When that's fully advanced, that's 34 degrees. Now we set the timing up at 34 degrees because we want this engine running at high RPM correctly. When it's on tick over, it's not quite so important. So people know this, that the RPM for low running speed is not so critical. It's high RPM. This is why you always set something up at fully advanced. So there's our fully advanced, and that's where we want our engine to run from, say, 1200 RPM right up through the rev range. It's only when it comes back to tick over that this will decrease in diameter and bring this back. What it does, it moves the cam. This is the points cam here. And we have here, we have the old assembly, which has 2 sets of points. And this will rotate. You've got a cam here and a cam here. It opens on the heel of the points. This one's stuck, but this one I can show you will be opened by the cam. And that's why it's quite difficult setting up 2 sets of points on an engine like this. You do away this assembly and you put on the transistorized module. It's one setting only as we set up at 34 degrees. But that is the principle. That's over the top of there. And I can just show you roughly. And the points will be opened up on this cam. And there I can just open up on here. I'm just showing the principle of it really. So we've done away with all that. We've done away with this because you're going to be aware in this linkage. It just makes it simple.